is CPR doing to the body to help keep the person alive? Try to visualize how you think CPR is helping save this person's life. When you give compressions during CPR, you are acting like the heart, helping to push oxygen-filled blood to the brain and the rest of the body. This can help someone survive when his heart stops beating. You've probably heard the terms heart attack and cardiac arrest before. You might think a heart attack and cardiac arrest are the same thing, but they're not. In fact, there are some very important differences. The major difference between the two is that during a heart attack, the heart is still beating and pumping blood, and the person is still alive. When the heart stops beating, the person is in cardiac arrest. During cardiac arrest, the heart has stopped beating, and the person doesn't respond and isn't breathing normally. A heart attack occurs when a clot forms in a blood vessel carrying oxygen-rich blood to the heart muscle. When the heart doesn't get enough oxygen from the blood,